You ready, Chad?
He's already on him. Chad's easy!
You kill-stealing motherfucker!
Someone died in the storm.
Luna, you're getting shot at.
I'm not
I downed
getting
him.
shot out.
Bullshit.
No, I was
Well,
standing still. I saw you
then-
shooting at that gas station.
No, I just killed the guy right next to you, right here.
There was a dude literally right here.
Right here.
Oh, yeah, dude, he didn't see me.
Wouldn't that be awesome if you could pick me up in the air while I'm diving?
I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna try. I was thinking about you can jump on.
Come forward, come forward. I'm trying to spam E. Oh!
America.
Oh!
Yes!
One's down. Yeah, go. His buddy's coming up to him, Chad.
I got hit from the side. What the fuck, dude?
Hit him for 100.
Too low, dude.
Dead. Instant.
Just one dude at the base, at the agency still.
Kill.
Almost dead.
I took down. Alright, secured 2 kills. I can't do anything now.
Okay. Ah, what the fuck? That was a
Wow, that guy just didn't know what the fuck to do. What an idiot.
He's right here. Ah, come on! Fucking
There's
bitch.
still one more good.
What'd you say?
There's still one
There's
more.
one more right above me.
Fuck, there's no.
5, 2.
Damn.
I love how they can build, fucking shoot, and then kill me. Like that much damage on you.
Yes.
Bitch.
Yes.
The hills are.
He's got no shields and he's almost dead.
Headshot. Bitch.
Oh, Jesus, they're right here. Well, here goes nothing.
Got one.
We're going in, boys.
He's right here. Right here. And when
His
he
buddy's on
kills
this
him,
roof. Oh, there's just me and you versus them. One guy. He's right there. It's the guy that got Luna too.
That motherfucker. He killed the other 2 dudes?
Yeah, he's pretty good. Fuck, he's coming right at me.
Where you go using macros?
120. Do it again, Chad.
Chad's only got a sniper.
Chad, take down the build. Right there. Just shoot. What are you doing?
He's only got a
I
sniper.
only have a sniper.
I know. Where did he go? That's fucking good.
Also, why? Oh, that's his fucking shotgun. Never mind. I was like, what's that fucking noise?
That was me.
Drop another gun for Chad. He needs something other than a sniper. Yeah, Jeff.
Ditch.
Yes!
Oh, he's in there.
Watch behind us, Chad, because
His shield's broken.
He's down.
Good shit.
Jake. That was aggressive as fuck, bro. He doesn't know! Uh-oh. Easy.
Wait, there's one more?
Oh fuck.